Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on Interstate 29 in Iowa, beginning in Harrison County. We're at an elevation of 1,021 feet or 311 meters above sea level here. Exit 89 leads to the small city of Mondaymin, platted in the winter of 1867 and 1868. It was named after Mondaymin, a Native American corn deity. As of 2019, the city had an estimated 374 residents. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 95 provides access to the city of Little Sioux to the east, which had an estimated population of 161 as of 2019. The city is named for the Little Sioux River, which we're about to cross. To the west, the Missouri River makes a very close approach to I-29, coming within half a mile of the interstate. Little Sioux is home of the Little Sioux Scout Ranch, an 1,800-acre scout reservation operated by the Mid-America Council of the Boy Scouts of America. Hiking trails cover the camp, which is forested with mowed meadows and has both developed and remote campsites. The camp was the site of a tornado that tragically ended the lives of 4 Boy Scouts and injured 48 others on June 11, 2008. Many awards for heroism were awarded. The camp reopened in 2009. we enter Monona County, formed in 1851. It was perhaps named for an Indian word for beautiful valley. Perhaps, or maybe it wasn't. The area around present-day county seat Ottawa was a stopping point in 1804 for Meriwether Lewis and William Clark during their exploration of the newly obtained Louisiana Purchase. Many years later, that site was memorialized as the Lewis and Clark State Park. Monona County had an estimated population of 8,679 as of 2018. Exit 105 leads to the small city of Blencoe, with an estimated population of 197 as of 2019. An early settler from Blencoe, Canada named the town. We pulled over here at this rest area to use the facilities, and we're seeing the beginning of a rainstorm, as could be predicted by the dark clouds we've been seeing for the last 10 miles or so, but we'll drive out of that pretty quickly. Exit 112 leads to the Monona County seat of Ottawa to the east, which had an estimated population of 2,764 as of 2019. Ottawa was named for a character mentioned in the poem The Song of Hiawatha by Henry Wadsworth Longfellow. Ottawa was platted in 1857, and the railway arrived to the city in 1867. The city claims to have the widest main street in the continental United States. However, after carefully measuring the width of Iowa Avenue in Ottawa, and the width of Canal Street in New Orleans, they seem to be tied at exactly 120.66 feet or 36.77 meters from curb to curb of the outer lanes. We conclude our video here at mile marker 114. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 Road Trip.